Here we have the makeshift Costco greenhouse. I'll show you what's inside. In here we've got the makeshift egg seedling. So here we have radish. There we've got the broccoli, zucchini, onion, and then the rest of the cells are carrots. And we've got a couple of germinators. There's a couple of carrots. Can't seem to focus. There we are. A couple of carrots sprouted. Some more in the process of sprouting. These are the onions. Carrot, onion, zucchini, radish, broccoli, and that's inside the eggshell greenhouse.